With your order, you'll find a motorized wheelchair, a removable seat cushion, a battery pack, a battery charger, and 2 pre-installed cable clips. To start, pull and lift the 2 halves apart to unfold your power wheelchair. Push the chair lever on the lower back portion of the frame to lock the chair in the unfolded position. To attach the controller, lift the tension lever to loosen the clamp. Slide the controller over the curved end of the armrest. Turn the tension knob to tighten and close the tension lever to secure it in place. The controller can be attached to either armrest. Fit the controller cable into the cable clip fastened behind the armrest to keep the cable out of the way. Locate the battery on the underside of the seat. Cut the zip tie that binds it to the frame. Slide the battery back towards the battery holder until it clicks into place. Adjust the level of the armrest to your desired height. Lift the lever to release the tension. Slide the support into a groove to set the new position, and push the lever back down to lock it in place. Attach the seat cushion using the Velcro strips. Make sure the seat belt is not stuck underneath the seat cushion. Adjust the height of the seat by loosening the screw knobs underneath the back end of each armrest. Lift or lower the backrest to the desired height and retighten the screw knobs. Switch the drive levers located behind each rear wheel from manual mode to drive mode. To charge, connect the 3-pin plug from the battery charger into the port on the underside of the controller. When the battery is charging, the charging indicator will illuminate red. It will take approximately 8 to 12 hours to charge. When it's fully charged, the charging indicator will illuminate green. To charge small electronics off of the wheelchair battery, simply connect your USB to the underside of the controller. Please keep in mind that this does not charge the wheelchair battery itself. Before using your wheelchair, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To power on the device, press the power button. The device will beep and indicate the battery level on the top and the speed level on the bottom. The speed level will always default to the last speed adjusted on the controller. To increase or decrease the speed level, use the buttons on the bottom of the controller. To beep the horn, push the horn button. Use the joystick to control movement, speed, and direction. When you're done using your power wheelchair, simply press the power button to turn the device off. To fold your wheelchair, lift the lock lever on the lower back of the chair to unlock the frame. Grab the top of the backrest and the front of the seat to pull these parts down and together to fold the wheelchair. To remove the battery pack, pull the latch beneath the battery to slide it free. The battery pack can be stored beneath the seat for added convenience.